Didn't mean to lose my easiness, not corrupt the childishness inside of me. The world was boundless and colorful, but I often was mistreated. Deep in my heart, inside of me, I save my inner child. You have to keep your feelings safe from getting into the dark. Fairies, angels, and fire, dragons will always protecting us. Fantasy and dreams were hidden inside of hollow trees, so they were so hard to find, which I can believe. Deep in my heart, inside of me, I save my inner child. You have to keep your feelings safe from getting into the dark. Fairies, angels, and fire, dragons will always protecting us. The gray steal our time for color and for childishness. They steal our imagination, joy and empathy. Deep in my heart, inside of me, I save my inner child. You have to keep your feelings safe from getting into the dark. Fairies, angels, and fire, dragons will always protecting us. But we won't let they broke ourselves or get our dragons be hurt. And when the gray ones come through, we'll just paint them colorful.
And if you ask yourselves how things could be at best, I'll tell you quite specifically, share love, not hate. Then everyone will have fun in life.